Hi, Mike here, and this is my quick little video of the Saramonic wireless UwMIC9 system. I've had this wireless mic system, Lavalier mic system, for a little over a year now in the big city, but I've never tested it here. And as you can see, it freaking snowed last night, but that's okay. It's winter time. So I have also my trusty little digital tape measure here. So I wanted to test out the range on this. I mean, as per the instructions, should be over 300 feet. So let's just see, and it's a nice quiet morning actually. So let's just see how far we can go with this, right? And I probably am not going to go 300 feet, but let's try it out. Okay, so I have it pinned here just on the side of my jacket, and let me just do a quick little measure of this. I'm going to bounce it off one of the posts, and we're roughly at about 20 feet. All right, so I'm at about 50 feet, give or take here. Actually 49.8 feet, and sound should still be pretty decent, right? So I'm just going to bounce this off tape measure. There we go, we're about 82 feet. And here I am at the edge of my driveway, and I'm at about 105 feet. I could probably go all the way down to the neighbor's house there, which is probably another 100 feet or so. And again, I'm pretty sure the sound is still great on this, right? So, I mean, I've tested out different mics, especially wireless microphones. And again, if you're looking for decent quality, like I said, you know what, I could upgrade. You've got over $600 Sennheiser mics on the market, but really this one for an upper mid-range, almost like a high range, for a little over 300 bucks, you can get this one. And like I said, I've had it for over a year, and you know what, it's fantastic. The sound quality is great. You've got 96 different channels to work with. Hopefully that helps, and look forward to seeing you on some of the other videos I'm posting. So thanks for watching.